Hi there folks, Colin again from Robert Smail's Printing Works in the Scottish Borders in the care of the National Trust for Scotland. And today we're going to be examining another old printing phrase that originates from letterpress, and that is not the full shilling. Today that normally refers to someone that's considered unintelligent, but in the printing it actually originates from Gutenberg. So when Gutenberg invented this system, he would get his type, measure it against an old German mark. When it came to the UK, we done the exact same thing. We would measure it against an old English shilling. If it was the same height as the English shilling, it would be good to print. If it was below the height, it's said to be not the full shilling. If it is below the height of the shilling, it is not ready to print. So to fix that, what we have to do is maybe put a little bit of tissue paper or paper under that letter just to raise it back to type high, which is 0.918 of an inch. So once it's all been packed up, we're then ready to print. So So we'll roll this under, give it a press and see what we end up with. And there we go, another perfect print. So, see you next time folks.